subject starts moving, aircraft will fly to set direction.
The combination
Okay, let's go then.
of both just clicks. Trying to start fast, there's a buzz in the air, a lot of bugs around, racing without a care. Droning through the woods, can you keep up with me? Neo 2 is my buddy, flying wild and free. Through the twists and the turns, we're racing the day in the heart of the forest. We're making our way. A horsefly gets to my right leg bound, buzzing real close, you can hear the sound. Running slowly along till I come to the stairs. Lucky there's no bears lurking, hiding in pairs. Droning through the woods, can you keep up with me? Neo 2
Let's
is
see how
my
it
buddy, flying wild and free.
goes on the
Through the
stairs.
twists and the turns, we're racing the day in the heart of the forest. We're making our way. Tiptoeing one step and a sequence so tight, trying to keep the rhythm while the sun shines bright. The Neo is still sticking, just like the horsefly too.
Now to the more challenging bit. Reduce the danger.
Birds are singing melodies, dancing in the blue. The path gets tighter, and oh what a sight. Just then I feel the horsefly bite, brushing the pester away. It's not meant to stay, bringing up the pace in this narrow ballet. Droning through
Let's
the
see
woods,
now.
can you keep up with me?
Right here I will not go fast.
Wild and free. Through the twists and the turns, we're racing the day in the heart of the forest.
Can it follow?
Making our way.
If so, I'm impressed.
Tiptoeing one step and a sequence so tight, trying to keep the rhythm while the sun shines bright. The Neo is still sticking, just like the horsefly too.
It does. That's some companion.
Droning through the woods, can you keep up with me? Neo 2 is my buddy, flying wild and free.
Let's see if my knees can hold a bit of speed.
In the heart of the forest, we're making our way. Tiptoeing one step and a sequence so tight,
Let's see
trying to keep
what
the
it does
rhythm
when I
while
come
the
in
sun
here.
shines bright.
It's
The
even
Neo is
tighter.
sticking, just like the horsefly too. Droning through the woods, can you keep up with me? Neo 2 is my buddy, flying wild and free. Through the twists and the turns, we're racing the day in the heart of the forest. We're making
Well,
our way.
it seems I can't shake it off. I'm severely impressed. This is the far best of all the DJI drones doing follow. Nothing can compare.
There's no trace of regret.
Going back on.